After we've completed the exterior walls, the next stage is to connect them, and I just used a cereal box for the base. So you're going to be drawing a rectangle whose dimensions are 13 and 7/8 to the outside. You don't have to do an inside dimension. And then I believe the other dimension is 7 and 7/16. Yeah, 7 and 7/16 on the other dimension. Now you can find a square angle when you draw this. You can kind of see how I drew the line before putting the walls together. But you can make sure that these angles are 90 degrees by that 3, 4, 5 triangle, or you can get yourself a square, or you can get one of those triangles that has a 90-degree angle. But anyway, that's essentially what you're going to do, is draw a square, or excuse me, a rectangle with those dimensions on a piece of cardboard, and then you're going to glue your walls at each corner, making sure that the smaller walls are on the outside, or well, you can just see that joint, match that joint. This butts to the inside of the smaller wall, and it does the same thing over here. This is the second top plate. I don't expect you to do that one at this step, but you will be doing that after we have built the interior walls, which we'll get to later. And yeah, that's what we did this week.